Today, we're going to share 3 of the laziest ways to make money online, and the best part is, you can earn $100 or more per day with these methods. So, if you're ready to make some easy money from the comfort of your home, let's dive right in. Our first lazy money-making method is dropshipping. What's great about dropshipping is that you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. Here's how it works. You set up an online store and partner with suppliers who have the products you want to sell. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them, and you keep the difference in price as your profit. To make this process even easier, you can use various e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. You can also run targeted ads on social media to drive traffic to your store and increase your sales. Next up is affiliate marketing, one of the most effortless ways to make money online. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. To get started, find products or services that align with your niche or interests. You can join affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Then, create engaging content like reviews, tutorials, or comparisons to attract potential buyers and drive them to your affiliate links. Our final lazy money-making method is taking online surveys and completing microtasks. Many companies pay users for providing their opinions through surveys, and you can find platforms that offer quick microtasks like data entry, online research, or website testing. While you won't get rich doing this, it's a simple way to earn some extra cash during your free time. Just sign up with reputable survey and microtask websites, complete the tasks they offer, and watch the money add up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, take care, and happy earning.